Hello world, this is What's Up 290, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can synchronize your installed Android apps, and I believe there are a few iOS apps on here as well, to your Windows or your Mac computer. So what this will do is it will allow you to synchronize your Google account as it is on your Android phone to your Windows or Mac OS computer. So you can run all of your Android apps, open all your Android documents, etc. on your computer. So what you're going to want to do is download an emulator called BlueStacks. The link will be in the description below. But as you can see, here it is running. It's got the Google Play Store, a couple apps pre-installed, and Google Chrome, and all these things. So what's worth noting here is when you sign into your Google account via it, which you can do just by clicking on the store. I'm not going to open it because my internet's running a little slow right now. But what this will do is you can sign into the Android store and synchronize all the apps you have installed on your Android device to your computer. And you can run your Android apps on your computer. So you can also change the settings by here. Change the display settings, graphics, preferences. What's worth noting is when you sign in, it'll come up as a Samsung device. You can change exactly which device here. But if you click to launch an app, just click on it. And it's kind of lagging a bit. Oh, there it goes. So there's Google Play Store launching. And there you go. I'm not going to sign in, but as you can see, you can sign into your Google account, and then Google's default process of synchronizing everything from your device will follow. So that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry it's a little rushed, but if you have any questions, leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 290, and I'm signing off. See you next day. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.